Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. If you guys are looking to make some super cute and affordable unicorn party favors, you guys may want to drop by the Dollar Tree and see what they have before you go anywhere else. So to make these favors, you guys are just going to want to cut off the decal from the sound makers and then hot glue them to the gift bag. So here's a look at everything that is going to be going in the favor, and again, all this came from the dollar store, you guys. I'm not making this up, and this stuff is super cute. First, I have this notebook, and I just thought, how adorable is this? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And then I have these unicorn lollipops that I found. I thought this one looks like, it actually does say unicorn twist lollipop on it, but I didn't even see that until just now. I have a unicorn wind chime, which they can color and put together themselves. That's actually a great craft too if you guys are doing the party and you want to do some DIY crafts for the kids, which is always a good idea for little ones. So here again is a final look. In the description box I will have links to everything that I bought specifically for these favors so that you can recreate the same look. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out my matching unicorn decor party video under $30. You can do the whole tablescape. You can see a little bit in behind, but you'll be able to see the full tablescape, including an organic balloon garland that is super cute. Everything came from the dollar store. You guys can be in and out with under $100 for your next daughter's birthday party if you guys are looking for a super cute unicorn theme on a budget. And if you guys are event planners or are looking to start your event planning business, make sure to click the link in the description box and I will take you to my step-by-step how to start your event planning business guide. So if you guys are looking into that, you can get a little more help and look at that information down below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.